eyes. I didn't draw the eyes yet. Now let's do that. Here to here, like here, and then make it a diamond shape. Here to the middle, you see the line? Here to the middle line. Same thing other side. You get to flip it over, that makes it easier. And here to middle two. And almost done. Same thing on the other side. Up to down. No, yeah. Up to down means here to here. Done. And it doesn't look like it, right? Open this and make sure this fits in. Flip it around. Hey, I'm but mister. Something you could make it anything. And if you want, you could just flip this over, do that. It could be a paper airplane if you want. You could do anything with that. You flip here, back here, then it's a paper airplane. You could do whatever you want. You could do both. Reptile, it's a kind of reptile, or a lizard, or a lizard king, T-Rex. It could be any, and you could use any kind of origami paper, or you could just make normal paper, like